Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Civil Engineering. In today's video on the Revit Architecture course, I will be guiding you on how to add materials to your 3D model design. I have taken this simple design. Let's convert into a 3D. This is 3D. Okay. For example, we have to add material to this wall. Let's convert into a consistent colors, shaded or realistic. Let's change the material of this wall. To change the material, we have to select the wall first. Let's select this wall. Then we have to go to this edit material, click on this, click on this structure, and now from here you can choose any material you desire to apply. Let's take this material, click on this material, click on OK, click on OK, and then apply and click on OK. As you see, the material has been changed. If you want to view clearly in a more realistic or consistent manner, you can check to apply for render. Click on render. So by doing this, the material type will be visually transformed. As you can see, the material has been changed. Thank you for watching my video, and if you found it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more useful content.